Hey everybody, how's it going? It's A here, and today I want to show you how to make a crab stack with crab, avocado, and butternut squash. What I have in front of me is all the ingredients that I need. I have some butternut squash that is roasted in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes. I have some jumbo lump crab meat here. I have some avocados, and I have some cherry tomatoes, cilantro, cucumbers, and some fresh lime. I also have some mayonnaise here to make the dressing for the jumbo lump crab. So I'm gonna bring the camera forward and let's start making this. Here's all the ingredients that I just mentioned. I have some mayonnaise here. I'm gonna add a little bit of salt and pepper to the mayonnaise. Then I'm gonna squeeze a little bit of lime to it. And mix. I need a little bit more lime in it. What I wanna do is have a little tangy taste to it. Let me taste again. Oh, that's beautiful and bright. I think I need a little bit more salt. All right. To this, I'm gonna fold in the jumbo lump crab meat. And give it a light toss. Now, for the avocado, I'm gonna squeeze in a little bit of lime in the avocado. Again, a little bit of salt and pepper. And give it a light toss. A bit more lime juice. To it, I'm going to add the cilantro that's chopped up and some cherry tomatoes that's chopped up, so that it looks really colorful. Give it a little light toss. Oh, that looks beautiful. Give it a little taste of that as well to see if there's any, you need a little bit of seasoning. A little bit of salt. So we want to assemble our avocado, crab, and butternut squash stack or tower. I have a ring mold here that looks like this. I'm going to put it on the plate. At the bottom, I'm going to add the avocado mixture. And we're going to gently press it down. I think it'll fit a little more. On top of that, we want to add the jumbo lump crab meat. And then press it down a little bit. On top of that, let's add the butternut squash. Now the butternut squash has been roasted. When it got roasted, it had salt, pepper, olive oil in it, so it's already seasoned. Butternut squash has a lot of vitamins and nutrients in it. It has antioxidants in it as well. My neighbor gave this to me, so I'm thinking, okay, it's a winter vegetable, but how do I make it, you know, summery? So I'm thinking, like, let me make an appetizer out of it with avocado, crab, and butternut squash. So for me right now, the butternut squash is the star, so I'm putting it on top. Normally people would put the crab on top. You press it down a little. And we're gonna put some cucumber slices to garnish. Let's do like that. It looks great. And I'm gonna lift the mold up ever so gently. Yay! So here's a close-up of what it looks like. This would be a great appetizer, or it could be your main dish. And it will be beautifully paired with a glass of crisp white wine or a Chardonnay. Now let's give it a taste test. Get everything into one forkful. It is absolutely delicious. Amazingly, the sweetness of the butternut squash goes perfectly well with the jumbo lump crab meat. The creaminess of the jumbo lump crab meat and the creaminess of the avocado pairs really well. And then the freshness of the lime, the cilantro, the tomatoes, oh, it's just beautiful. Although butternut squash is kind of known as a wintertime vegetable, this makes it perfect for a summertime appetizer or a summertime light dinner, or it could be your light lunch, however you want to have it. I hope you try this at home and let me know how it turns out for you. If you like this episode, give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't done so yet, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you are notified of every new episode that's uploaded. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time.